More news coming in. Politics over pollution peaks in Delhi. Delhi BJP chief distributes masks to the people. Sachdeva and BJP MPs hand masks outside metro. Poster war erupted in Delhi here. BJP has gone after the Delhi Chief Minister, former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva and MP Praveen Khandelwal were seen distributing masks in these pictures that you see on your screens right now. This to the people at the Central Secretariat petrol station as the air quality remains in the severe category as per the Central Pollution Control Board.
दिल्ली में लगातार बढ़ रहे प्रदूषण की वजह से वायु गुणवत्ता काफी खराब स्थिति में है और इसीलिए आप तस्वीरों में देख सकते हैं कैसे बीजेपी के जो नेता हैं वो केंद्रीय सचिवालय मेट्रो स्टेशन की ठीक बाहर मास्क बांटते हुए यहां पर नजर आ रहे हैं। वो लोगों से दरख्वास्त कर रहे हैं कि लोग जो है वो मास्क पहन लें क्योंकि स्थिति जो है वो बेहद खराब हो चुकी है और पिछले कई दिनों से दिल्ली में प्रदूषण जो है वो लगातार बढ़ता जा रहा है। आप देख सकते हैं दिल्ली बीजेपी अध्यक्ष जो है वो लोगों से बोल रहे हैं कि प्रदूषण की वजह से लोगों की हालत जो है वो प्रदूषण की वजह से स्थिति काफी खराब है और लोगों को मास्क पहनना चाहिए।
All right, talking about pollution in Delhi, it's the froth in the river and the air that we are breathing. Once again, Delhiites suffering in the national capital. Air quality in the city plummeted and AQI was at 481. Delhi government has announced the suspension of physical classes for all students except those in classes 10 and 12, with schools shifting to online mode until further notice. Due to heavy fog, the visibility as well at Delhi's Indira Gandhi Airport was just 100 meters at 7 this morning. Cat 3 measures were activated. Flight operations continues low in spite of low visibility. Meanwhile, the Met Department has issued an advisory for Delhiites and declares an orange alert. The fog is anticipated to be denser than expected. Starting today, Grab 4 will be imposed in Delhi. Under Grab 4 rules, there will be a complete ban on the entry of trucks, halt on construction for all public projects. Non-essential light commercial vehicles from outside Delhi are also barred. Additionally, construction activities, including public infrastructure and other projects, have been suspended. If the situation worsens, the odd-even rule may also be applied.
Dense fog and severe air pollution has disrupted the national capital, and this has impacted various modes of transport in the Delhi. Road, rail and airports all are impacted due to the thick layer of fog. Currently, I am here at the Indira Gandhi International Airport, and as you can see behind me in the visuals, how a thick layer of smoke has engulfed the whole airport area, which has impacted the air movement, airlines movement, aeroplane movement, and people have been asked to wait for the hours due to the flight delays for many hours. People are in distress, and as you can see in the visuals, how the fog, you can see 100 meter, 200 meter, the current situation of visibility here at the airport, and even the airport authorities have implemented low visibility procedures to smoothen the airport movement. And the situation here clearly depicts that how rail, road and airways all are impacted due to the pollution on the roads. If you will go, you will see long jams, and even railway stations are witnessing delays due to this smoke. With cameraman Emmanuel Anmol Bali from New Delhi.
For the first time this year, the air quality index in national capital area has breached the mark of 470, which is indicating that the air quality has come under very severe category. Right now, I am filing this report from Akshardham Temple, and you can see the temple, which is barely 100 meters away from this place, is not visible, and it's because of the smog which has engulfed the entire area. At the same time, people are forced to drive their vehicle with the headlights on, and it's because the visibility level has also come down to a new low. Remember that the temperature is also dipping, because of which the visibility level is also coming down. People are facing a lot of problems, not only because of fog, smog, but also the pollution which is there in the air. Looking at the rising pollution, the government has also imposed Grab 4, which means that there will be more restrictions, which includes banning of entry of trucks in national capital. The government has also announced that there will be online mode education for the students, barring the students of class 12th and 10th. The government has said that in coming few days, more restrictions could be imposed. But in the past 2 weeks, we are also seeing as to how the air pollution level in national capital continues to rise. With video journalist Lokendra, I'm Piyush Mishra in Delhi for India Today. As GRAP 4 has been implemented all over Delhi, the AQI levels are in 450 plus category. There are several regulations which has to be followed. Are those being followed on the ground? We are at Connaught Place, which is considered as one of the most posh areas of Delhi. But I can show you that how brooming is happening right now in these areas. Even those who are sanitary workers, they are using their broom to clear the garbage. Although there are regulations that normally mechanical sweeping will happen. I am going to ask a few questions. आप लोग झाड़ू का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, आप लोगों को कुछ बताया गया है?
नहीं जी, नहीं, कुछ नहीं बताया।
तो आपने पूछा, अपने सुपरवाइजर अभी आए थे?
हाँ, बोला तो था मैंने कि आप बोल रहे हो कि झाड़ू मत लगाओ पोल्यूशन की वजह से। वो कुछ बोल के गए आपके सामने को?
तो आपको भी कुछ नहीं बताया?
नहीं नहीं।
We also tried the supervisor. They are the lower grade workers, but the supervisors who are normally being responsible for such cleaning works, we even asked the supervisor why brooming is actually happening in these areas. Mechanical sweeping should happen, but they don't have any answer. Even they don't have any instructions from the top officials. So that is the situation right now in Delhi at the ground zero, where GRAP 4 regulations should be implemented, but that is not happening as of now, which can be seen through the pictures. With camera person Pawan Kumar, it's Kumar Kunal for India Today from Delhi.
All right, Piyush, getting in more details on that big story. Piyush, further restrictions in Delhi, obviously, which will cause not just economic losses, but also a lot of disruption and inconvenience to the general people. The fact is that these are all band-aid solutions, and the crisis here mounts and continues. The problems continue year after year. I mean, there is absolutely just no way things can get worked out, are getting worked out, isn't it, in spite of this this conversation that we have year after year?
Well, like rightly mentioned, Sneha, every year we face a similar problem, but there is no solution. Every year at the time of Diwali, there's a lot of hue and cry from the opposition that Yamuna is polluted, the pollution level is rising. And every year we see Aam Aadmi Party government, which is ruling Delhi for the past 12 years, claims that the other states like Haryana and Uttar Pradesh are contributing to the pollution level in Delhi. But there is no solution which is coming out. Today, the government is forced to implement GRAP 4, which means that more restrictions will be in place. There will be a ban on entry of trucks. Only essential commodity trucks will be allowed to enter. Schools have now gone on online mode. The government is likely to take more and more measures as far as controlling pollution is concerned. But every year, similar sort of situation happens, but there is no solution coming out. I'm right now present at Pandit Pant Marg, and right behind me you can see a stop. Visibility level has dipped down, and since morning, in fact since yesterday, we are seeing similar sort of situation. People are facing problems. They are forced to drive with their headlights on because of the smog which has engulfed the entire area. Not only here at Pandit Pant Marg or at Connaught Place or at Akshardham Temple or at India Gate area, every part of Delhi and NCR is facing a similar sort of situation. The point here is that the government, which is claiming that after implementing GRAP 4, things could come under control, it seems like it is likely to further worsen, because before that government has imposed GRAP 3. Still situation has not improved, and that is why we are also seeing how the politics also taking place on the entire matter. Delhi BJP has come out, and BJP leaders were also seen distributing masks among the people. They were telling us that there is no option left but to save the lives of people, and that is why they are contributing their part so that a situation can at some level come under control and people stop feeling bad about what is happening. So the point here is that for how long this will continue? Every year we report the same thing, and every year the government makes the same excuse. Sneha.
It's just us, in fact, putting the spotlight on this issue, but there is absolutely no resolution. Steps have been taken. GRAP 1, GRAP 2, GRAP 3, in fact, and now GRAP 4, which obviously causes inconvenience to a lot of people. There is a lot of chatter, but the dust settles and the people are forced to live in these terrible conditions. I'm going to thank you for the moment, Piyush Mishra, getting in those details.